Hello guys, I am facing a little bit of problem on my house on the rooftop. I'm getting no Wi-Fi signal, and if I want to use right now Wi-Fi and it's not working at all, as I can show it to you on my cell phone. I'm getting no Wi-Fi signal, as you can see on the top. I'm not getting any signal. So to tackle that problem, I need to buy a new router to throw that signal in on the rooftop in that direction, so I can get much signal as I want. But that's not the case. I don't want to spend any money. So I found that solution on GitHub and also a YouTube video, but I wanted to make it more in detail. So I came up with the solution. That's not my solution, but somebody has put it on the GitHub, so I'm using those files to make this device for me, and you can also make that. So I just making this video to make it more easy and more detailed, and so you can understand it easily. For this project, you're gonna need a device which is very popular and very cheap. You can buy it easily on Alibaba or AliExpress, on eBay, Amazon, anywhere you want. But let me show it to you. This is Node MCU Wi-Fi module, which is 8266 ESP8266 and Wi-Fi module, and you can buy it in the local market as well. So this device is going to be very helpful, and this device is going to work as a repeater. It's going to receive the signal from existing router in your house and enhance the signal and transmit it again, and I can use it on my rooftop. So I'm gonna give it a shot and let's see how this thing works or not. And one more thing, there are other things that you are gonna need to program this or to upload the firmware. You're gonna need a cell phone data cable that you have already in your house. Like you can see, this connector is micro USB, and you're gonna need a data cable of your cell phone. So after that, when you upload the firmware and do every configuration, you're gonna need a short cable which is same as your cell phone, but it comes with a power bank. Let me show it to you. This one is very short cable, and it comes with power banks, all types of power banks, and you can use this one. And if you want to power this thing from your, let me connect this cable with it like that. And if you want to power this ESP from your all the power brick, you can use it, and you can use power bank, or you can use power charger, power supply. So let me show it to you. I bought this one very cheaper, very smaller, and reliable. 5 volt, and it's 600 milliamps. It's 5 volt and 600 milliamps. So it is reliable for your ESP device, Node MCU, and it's version 1, and you can buy that, and all the links are also given in the description. You can buy that. But the thing is, you can power this thing very easily like that. It's just a small setup, and your router will be ready after uploading the firmware into ESP. So one more thing, that you can use power bank as well. Like in my case, my house is still under construction, and there is no electrical wire on the upper floor, and on the ground floor all the wiring is done, but on the first floor there is no wiring, electrical wiring, so I cannot power this thing in a power outlet, but I can power this thing with my power bank, and I will show it to you. So let's get to the computer screen, and I will configure this ESP and step by step, and I will also provide the links to the softwares and firmware software that you are gonna need to configure this thing. So let's jump into the keyboard screen and start. To upload the firmware in the ESP8266 or Node MCU, you need to download two files. One is go to this link, which is also given in the description, and download this file, flash download tool for ESP8266 and ESP32 for Windows. And it's don't worry about the version, just click on this button, download, and it will start downloading. And the second link is also given in the description. It's a GitHub link, and download this as a zip file. I already downloaded this file, so you can download it as well. So let me show it to you. I have downloaded both files and extract them. If you didn't have the WinRAR, you can download that too. Its link is also given in the description. And after extracting the file, you need to open this flash download tool folder and run this file, flash download tool, and run as administration. When you run this file, it will just take a little bit time according to your system speed. Okay, now click on the first button, ESP8266 download tool. Click on that and another window will pop up. So here you have to make some selections and setting to upload the firmware. And the firmware is that you have downloaded this ESP Repeater Wi-Fi folder, and here it has a firmware folder. You can see there are 4 files in there. So let me show it to you. Here you have to select these files. First select the first file, go to this folder, and you have to type the name as well. Same as that. Here you can just copy that and paste it here. And the second file also you need to select this one and select this name and paste it here. So you have selected both files. Check those files, and now you have to connect the Node MCU with your cell phone data cable to your PC to upload this firmware, just like that. And after that you have to select the SPI speed 80 MHz, and depending on what kind of Node MCU you are using, and you can select QIO or DIO version, and select flash size should be 16 or 4 MB. I'm selecting 16. And now you have to select the COM port where it is selected. So we don't know which COM port it is on. So for that you can go to the Arduino software. So you will know how to check which file you are, or which COM port you are going to select. So here you have to go to the ESP, but you can see that there are 3 COM ports are showing up here. So unplug the ESP. So you can see now that only 2 ports, 1 and 3. Next, instead these 2 ports are already showing. If you see any new port, COM port, you will select that. So I will select again, insert again the ESP into PC USB port, and now you can see there is COM port 4 is showing. So go to the flash software again, and you can select the COM port 4. Okay, and now here you have to click on start. It will sync up and download these files, and it's showing the process down here. When it's completed, I will show you what will be the next step. It will just take some seconds. Now it's finished. It's showing finished up. Here you have to, after finishing up, you need to unplug the ESP from your PC and now plug it in again. And now I will show you on my cell phone screen. Your cell phone screen, you have to go to the Wi-Fi settings, and you will see this ESP is showing up, and select this one, and you have to connect it. When you will connect it, you need to go to your browser, or you will see my API or something like that. So you have to change it. Go to the browser after connecting with your ESP and type this IP address 192.168.168.4.1, and there you go. You will see this page will show up ESP Wi-Fi NAT router configuration. If you have successfully configured or upload the firmware, this page will show up. Here you have to connect it with your Wi-Fi. I have connected it, and also connected with connected with password and your SSID. And here you have to set AP setting. This will act as a router, and this is a password, SSID and password for ESP. Here you have to type the name. You can name it as you like, and I am not getting signal on my top floor, on first floor, so that's why I name the password as a first floor. And this is all the settings. You can also lock the device if you want, and I will show you that it is working. So now I am connected with the home, you can see, and also the device name is also home. So this is the password. You can connect it after changing this password. So I already configured that, so that's why it's connected with my PC. Or if when you go to the laptop, you will turn on the Wi-Fi and find this open network my AP. So connect it, and also open the browser and type the IP address 192.168.4.1, and you will see these settings, and you need to configure that as I am showing. And this part here is your Wi-Fi device, that existing Wi-Fi device in your home, and this is setting for your ESP to throw the signal in further range. So that's it, pretty much it. So you subscribe my channel, and I hope you will like this video. After configuring successfully, you need to connect your ESP with the short data cable of your power bank and connect it with your power brick, and just connect it with your power outlet, just like that. It's a little bit harder. Let me connect this way. it's connected and turn the switch on, you will see the light is blinking. Turn on and it will start blinking when it will connect with your Wi-Fi device. Now it's blinking and it's showing signal as well, and also capturing that signal from your Wi-Fi existing router in your home and sending signal in 360 direction. So that's how you configure it. It's a simple setup. I will leave it that like that. You can also make a case for it if you want, but I think it's a simple and very clean setup. You can take it anywhere you want, and I also have a solution for it. You can use this power bank as well for this. So let me show you. You can connect this power bank with this device like that, and it will turn on, and you can run it. This power bank particularly run at almost 12 to 13 hours, so it's a pretty long time. It's very low power consumption device and very simple portable setup. You can take it with you wherever you want. It will be act as your Wi-Fi hotspot as well. Install this app speed test by Ookla, and you can also go to the browser and type speedtest.net. You will it will just take a few seconds to install, and when you install it, you will have to test your speed. This is the first I will show the existing speed, and then I will show you the repeater speed. It almost same, but a little bit slower, just a minor difference, not a big difference you will see, but you will see a minor difference. So first I will show you the browser. You have to allow these things in order to get results. So just click on go, and you will see it will start connecting, and it will give you upload and download speed, both of them. Now it's starting downloading speed. It will increase. Just like that, and this one is uploading speed. That's it. Now the next results will be of your ESP. It's almost showing 6 MB, 6.9, almost 7, almost the same as the pedestal device is giving you. Upload speed will also drop down a little bit, but it's giving you a pretty reasonable speed as you wanted. Thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel.
Let it go.